Hello students, today I am going to tell you about the RAC. RAC is the refrigeration and air conditioning. Refrigeration and air conditioning is very important for the future point of view, in the career point of view, and also this is the coursework in the BTech engineering. So what is refrigeration and air conditioning? Generally we think that air conditioning is used for the cooling purpose, but no, that is control the four factor mainly, and I will discuss it. So first I will tell you about the refrigeration. Refrigeration is the amount of heat which is required to extract in order to provide and maintain the lower temperature than the surrounding. Means अगर हमें लोअर टेम्परेचर प्रोवाइड करना है और मेंटेन करना है तो उस जो हम डिवाइस यूज कर रहे हैं दैट इज रेफ्रिजरेशन. सो रेफ्रिजरेशन इज ओनली कंट्रोल द टेम्परेचर. So amount of heat which is required to extract in order to provide and maintain the lower temperature than the surrounding. So that is refrigeration. But air conditioning is different from the refrigeration. What is air conditioning? Air conditioning is used for simultaneously control of temperature of air, velocity of air, purity of air, and last one is humidity of air. Means that हम जनरली देखते हैं घरों में, जैसे हम डेजर्ट कूलर, जो कूलर जनरली यूज करते हैं घर में, आप देखते होंगे कि हमें लगता है कि उमस सी हो, तो दैट इज ह्यूमिडिटी. तो हमारे एसी में क्या होगा, ह्यूमिडिटी भी कंट्रोल होता है. और प्योरिटी की बात करें, जैसे कि अंदर की एयर को हम सर्कुलेट करते रहते हैं, तो एसी का क्या होगा, उसको एयर को, फ्रेश एयर को प्रोवाइड करेगी बाहर से, तो वो प्योरिटी का भी काम करता है एसी हमारा. तो प्योरिटी ऑफ एयर, वेलोसिटी ऑफ एयर. अगर हमें किसी रूम को कूल करना है तो उसके लिए हमें रिक्वायरमेंट होगी कि एयर का फ्लो भी हो, तो उससे जो यूज हो रहा है हमारा, वो हमारा फ्लो भी हो रहा है, तो वेलोसिटी ऑफ एयर को भी कंट्रोल करता है. एंड मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट फैक्टर इज टेम्परेचर ऑफ एयर. ये कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि एसी का काम हम ठंडा करने के लिए करें, हो सकता है कि हम रूम को हीटअप करने के लिए भी कर सकते हैं. तो ओनली इट इज यूज फॉर, आल्सो यूज फॉर मेंटेन ऑफ द टेम्परेचर. तो नेक्स्ट वी डिस्कस अबाउट द COP. COP is generally used for refrigeration, and it is different from the efficiency. So COP is desired effect upon work input. So generally refrigeration is the work absorbing devices, refrigeration or air conditioning, because we want to flow of heat from lower temperature to the higher temperature. But generally we see that heat flow from the higher temperature to lower temperature. So that I will draw the flow diagram of refrigeration. That is refrigerator, and this is lower temperature. If we want to flow heat from lower temperature to higher temperature, that is QL, air, QH, and that is work input. So for flowing the heat from lower temperature to higher temperature, we require a device. So we want to work input. So that is work input. So this is work absorbing device. But generally in engine we want to produce work. So that is not work absorbing device. That is work producing device. So desired effect is lower heat, QL, upon work input. Work input is QH minus QL, and this is for refrigerators, COP of refrigerator. And if we use this as a heat pump, in the heat pump our requirement is, means desired effect is higher temperature. So COP of heat pump is, in same case, desired effect upon work input. So desired effect is higher temperature. So QH upon work input is same, QH minus QL. So thank you, and if you have any query you can post in your comment box. So thank you.